I welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia right here. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can pay multiple supplier on Pinduoduo without using any agent. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you can pay your multiple supplier on Pinduoduo using your Alipay. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation or some other country importation, you'll be notified and you'll watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you would like to connect with me for importation business related issue, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen right here. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can pay your many supplier on Pinduoduo without using agent. So let's get started. So first thing first, you need to open up your Pinduoduo app. So just like what you see right here. So when you get to your Pinduoduo app, you have to navigate to your favorite, this column here. Then from here, you see all the supplier you are going to pay for. So I'm going to pay for all the supplier. You have to tick here and make sure you select. So I'm paying for this supplier also, and I'm paying this. So I'm paying for about 12 supplier, okay? So just like that, and like this. I'm paying for this also. So I'm paying for this also, and I'm paying for this also. So I'm paying for all this supplier right here. You can see that each time I'm trying to pick on the supplier I'm paying for, the price change here, and the final price here is 396 RMB. So finally, you have to click on here now to make the payment. Okay. So you have to scroll down and see all the products you are eventually going to pay for. These are all the products I'm paying for. Okay. So this is from different supplier. So when you scroll down right here, you make sure that you choose Alipay because this is the most convenient to make payments for foreigners. Then finally, you click on here to make your payment. So it's going to connect your Alipay. All right, so at this point here, this is where you are going to carry out your final payment. So you can still cross-check and see if eventually there was some errors or some mistake you want to correct. So these are all the products I'm paying to all the supplier. So when you are done with everything and you are sure, and then you are good to go. So you have to come down here also and then make sure you choose your Alipay as a means of payment. So finally, you click on this red bar button here to carry out the payment. So I'm going to click on that. Then it connects to my Alipay from there. So you can see from the screen right here, my Alipay started connected. Okay, so I'm paying this amount of money. Oh, sorry for that. Sorry for that. So sorry for that. Okay, Alipay is connecting again. So click on pay now. So I click on pay now, it's going to verify your payment. Then I'm using my password to confirm my payment. So I have to click on password right here. Then I have to enter my payment password. So once you enter your payment password, you can see that we have payment successfully done. So this is how you guys can pay to multiple supplier on Pinduoduo app without any stress. So once your payment is successful, click on done. then you have to go back to your profile and you will see all this particular product will be moved to ship immediately. So this is all the process you need to follow, and this is how you can buy from different supplier on Pinduoduo. So at this point here, we can go back to our profile here. So if I click on my profile, you're going to see all these products are moved. So right here, we have 16 products already ready for ship, while these 5 products here are still under the verify by supplier to ship them out. So if I click on here now, you're going to see these are the products that is waiting for seller confirmation of the payment, while this one is already moved to ready to ship out. So all this one here are good to go. So guys, this is how you can pay many supplier on Pinduoduo without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you get it done. If you find value for this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel for more tips and tricks, more training about China importation, you can remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content, you get notified. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to connect with me for importation business related issue, you can connect with me via the number on the screen of this video. You can connect with me on WhatsApp, or you check the description of this video to connect with me on WhatsApp for importation business related issue. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.